Yo, what is up, everybody? It's Prabha. Today we're diving headfirst into the wild, raw beauty of Iceland. We're talking epic landscapes, roads carved through volcanoes, and waterfalls you have to see to believe. Iceland is like stepping onto another planet, and the best way to experience it is by hitting the open road. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a visual journey through some of the most breathtaking scenic drives Iceland has to offer. This is more than just a video. It's a call to adventure. Welcome to our channel. Buckle up and get ready for an adventure.
All right, let's kick things off with the granddaddy of them all, the Ring Road. It's Route 1, and it circles the entire country. Over 800 miles of pure driving bliss. You'll pass glaciers, black sand beaches, and volcanoes straight out of your wildest dreams. Get ready to fill up that memory card, because there are countless waterfalls along the Ring Road. It's those quiet moments when you pull over, breathe in the fresh Icelandic air, and just soak it all in. If you only have time for one road trip in Iceland, make it the Ring Road. You won't regret it.
Now maybe you're short on time. That's where the Golden Circle comes in. It's a shorter route, easily doable in a day, but it packs a serious punch. First up, Thingvellir National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where you can walk between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. Then the Geyser geothermal area with boiling hot water erupting from the ground. And to top it all off, Gullfoss, one of Iceland's most iconic waterfalls. The Golden Circle is basically Iceland's greatest hits, all packed into one epic day trip. It's a crash course in Icelandic beauty that'll leave you wanting more.
Pause 3S. Before we continue our incredible journey, let's take a moment to appreciate our amazing community. We love hearing from you and seeing your own Icelandic adventures. Here's a special shout out to one of our subscriber's name, who shared this stunning picture with us. Pause 3S. Whether you're capturing the northern lights, exploring hidden waterfalls, or just soaking in the serene landscapes, your photos and stories inspire us to keep exploring and sharing. If you want to be featured in our next video, don't forget to tag us in your posts and use our hashtag #IcelandExplorers. Pause 3S. Now let's get back to our journey and dive into the wonders of the Snæfellsnes Peninsula. Pause 3S. Before we embark on our journey to the Snæfellsnes Peninsula, let's take a detour to one of Iceland's best-kept secrets, the Westfields. This remote and rugged region is often overlooked by travelers, but it's a treasure trove of natural beauty and tranquility. Pause 3S. Imagine driving along winding coastal roads with sheer cliffs dropping into the ocean, spotting seals basking on rocky shores, and discovering hot springs where you can soak with a view of the Arctic Ocean. The Westfjords are home to some of Iceland's most dramatic landscapes, including the highest waterfall in the country, Dynjandi, cascading down in a series of stunning tiers. Pause 3S. One of the most enchanting experiences you can have here is visiting the tiny village of Bíldudalur, where you can learn about the region's folklore at the Sea Monster Museum. The Westfjords are also a paradise for bird watchers, with cliffs teeming with puffins and other seabirds during the summer months. Pause 3S. If you're seeking solitude and a connection with nature, the Westfjords offer an unparalleled escape. With its untouched beauty and serene atmosphere, this hidden gem is a must-visit for any true adventurer. Pause 3S. Now let's get back on the road and continue our journey to the Snæfellsnes Peninsula.
All right, let's switch gears and head west to the Snæfellsnes Peninsula. This place is like something out of a fairy tale, with jagged cliffs, charming fishing villages, and a glacier-capped volcano. Jules Verne himself chose Snæfellsjökull volcano as the entrance to the Earth's core in his classic novel. As you drive along the peninsula's winding roads, you'll encounter black sand beaches, dramatic rock formations, and fields of lava rock covered in vibrant green moss. One of my favorite spots is Kirkjufells Mountain, a perfectly cone-shaped mountain featured in countless photos and movies. The Snæfellsnes Peninsula is often called Iceland in miniature because it packs so much diversity into a small area. If you're looking for a road trip that's off the beaten path but still delivers jaw-dropping scenery, this is it.
Now, for those who truly want to escape the crowds and experience the raw, untamed beauty of Iceland, the Westfjords are calling. This is Iceland's final frontier, a land of towering mountains, deep fjords, and remote fishing villages. The roads here are winding and often unpaved, but that's part of the adventure. One of the highlights is Dinjandi Waterfall, often called the Jewel of the Westfjords. And if you're a birdwatcher, the Westfjords are home to millions of seabirds, including puffins. The Westfjords are definitely off the beaten path, but that's what makes them so special. This is a place to disconnect from the world, reconnect with nature, and experience Iceland at its most raw and authentic. So if you're an adventurous soul looking for a road trip that's truly unforgettable, pack your bags and head to the Westfjords.
All right, let's wrap things up with a bang on Iceland's south coast. This stretch of coastline is basically a greatest hits album of Icelandic scenery. We're talking black sand beaches, towering glaciers, and more waterfalls than you can shake a stick at. Make a pit stop at Seljalands Foss, one of the few waterfalls in Iceland you can actually walk behind. And just down the road is Foss, known for its rainbows. Then there's Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, where massive chunks of ice break off a glacier and float out to sea. The south coast is easily accessible from Reykjavik, making it a popular choice for day trips or shorter road trips. So there you have it, the south coast, a symphony of natural wonders that'll leave you speechless.
Pause 3S. Before we dive into the magic of the Northern Lights, let's take a detour into the subterranean wonders of Iceland. This island is riddled with fascinating caves, each with its own unique story to tell. One of the most captivating is the Vatnshellir Cave, located in the Snæfellsnes Peninsula. This 8,000-year-old lava tube descends deep into the earth, revealing otherworldly rock formations and vibrant mineral deposits. As you explore its winding passages, you'll feel like you're journeying through the veins of the planet itself. Another must-visit is the Crystal Ice Cave in Vatnajökull National Park. These caves are formed by the melting and refreezing of glacial ice, creating stunning blue chambers that look like something out of a fantasy novel. The ice is so clear that it feels like stepping into a frozen cathedral, with light filtering through to create an ethereal glow. Then there's the Lofthellir Ice Cave, known for its incredible ice sculptures. These natural formations change shape and size with the seasons, making each visit a unique experience. The cave's remote location adds to its mystique, making it a hidden gem for those willing to venture off the beaten path. Exploring these enchanted caves offers a glimpse into Iceland's geological history and a chance to experience the island's raw, untouched beauty. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a curious traveler, these subterranean marvels are sure to leave a lasting impression. Pause 3S. Now let's move on to one of Iceland's most magical experiences. Pause 3S. Now let's take a moment to talk about one of Iceland's most magical experiences, witnessing the Northern Lights. Imagine standing under a night sky painted with vibrant hues of green, pink, and purple. The auroras dance and swirl above, creating a mystical spectacle unlike anything else on Earth. The best time to catch this natural light show is from September to April, when the nights are longest and the skies are darkest. Head to remote areas, away from city lights like Thingvellir National Park or the Snæfellsnes Peninsula, for the best views. And don't forget to bring your camera. Capturing this ethereal beauty is a must. Seeing the Northern Lights is not just a visual experience, but an emotional one. It connects you to the universe, making you feel both incredibly small and immensely privileged to witness such a phenomenon. So if you're planning a trip to Iceland, make sure to carve out some time for aurora hunting. It's an experience that will stay with you forever. So there you have it. 5 epic road trips that'll show you the best of what Iceland has to offer. From the iconic Ring Road to the remote Westfjords, there's an adventure waiting for everyone in this magical country. And the best part is, this is just a taste. There are countless other hidden gems and scenic routes just waiting to be discovered in Iceland. Until next time, keep exploring. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through Iceland's scenic drives. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own pictures of Iceland's roads in the comments below.